Hi guys, and welcome to the No Gluten Zone. I did a big order with Katz Gluten Free Bakery, and I thought I'd do an unboxing video and share what I got. If you are not familiar with Katz, I highly recommend them. They have some amazing treats and breads and all kinds of great stuff. And the wonderful thing is you can order straight from them online. They do have some of their products in stores near me, but they don't have everything. But you can go to their website and get all of it or any of it. So let's open this up. Up first, we have apple fritters, cinnamon rugelach. I'm not sure if I say that right. I have tried this before. It's really good. I have not tried the apple fritters before. These are the cream cakes. This is the pumpkin variety. I was thinking of my son when I got this because my son likes pumpkin stuff. And powdered donut holes. I love these. I've made my own powdered donuts, and I got 3 of these. I've never made them as good as theirs turns out. I do love to bake, but sometimes I like to try someone else's baking. Trying the plain donuts. I have not tried these. I have tried a lot of their donuts, but not the plain ones. And I got 2 of those. We have the vanilla cream cake. My husband loves these. And we got, I think I got more than one. Yep, here's another one. And another one, 3 of those. And then I did try the chocolate cream cake. I have not tried that one yet. We have tried the vanilla. And then we got this caramel apple spiced cake with creamy filling. We have not tried these, but it sounded very tempting. And then the cream-filled chocolate cupcakes. And then I have not tried these before, but they have dinner rolls. So I got 2 packs of those. And that's it. Empty box. So I hope you enjoyed that. I will post on Instagram each time I try them. I'll give a little update on how we liked it. So stay tuned.